In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create Facebook Reels using Canva. If you've been wanting to design eye-catching Reels in just minutes, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know how to design, customize, and edit your own Reels with Canva's user-friendly tools. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're not logged in, sign in or create an account. Then, head to the search bar at the top and type Facebook Reels. Canva will show you a variety of ready-made templates. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Canva offers lots of styles and themes, so you can pick one that matches your vision. When you find one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that your template is open, you can edit the text. Just click on any text box to type or change the font, color, and size to match your brand. Keep it short, clear, and engaging. Text is a big part of what makes Reels stand out. Next, fine-tune the timing of your Reel. Click on the scissor icon at the top to trim your video. You can set an exact duration or drag the trimming sliders until you get the perfect cut. Once you're happy with the cuts and overall flow, click Done to save your edits. This locks in the timing and makes your Reel ready for export. And now for the final step, click Download in the top right. Your Facebook Reel will be saved to your device, ready to upload and share with your audience. And that's it. You've just created a professional-looking Facebook Reel in Canva. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing a story, or just having fun, this tool makes it simple. Thanks for watching and happy designing.